Diversity in construction means that we actually reflect a highly diverse population, and I think we're missing a huge trick if we don't actually recognise that we have talent on our doorsteps, and it's a very diverse talent, and that will benefit us all.
The key issue we've been discussing at the diversity panel is really how do we improve the diversity and inclusion in the construction industry, and we have a lot of challenges.
But what we're discussing really is the common parts. What do we have in common? And that is that there are not enough women, whether it be at board level, whether it be in education.
We need to do far better with attracting people from black and minority ethnic backgrounds. And we also need to make gay people feel much more comfortable and make opportunities for disabled people in our industry. Whilst we've made some clear movements in the right direction, we still have a long way to go in those areas in particular.
And the reality of it is we talk it, but we don't walk it. So a lot of initiative being discussed within the panel. The view is that we need clear leadership from the industry.
I think the most important thing we can do is just make the world of science, engineering and construction very exciting from the moment people enter school.
We have to have people who can educate the educators. So we have to make sure within the construction industry that we can actually extend our knowledge to those people to make sure that they understand what opportunities are out there.
It's actually about having this access to a fantastic opportunity to progress in any part of construction, whether it's in architecture, design, engineering, plumbing, tunnelling, there's lots of opportunities. And at the end of the day, you see a project that you've actually physically delivered.
So not only can they leave a legacy, a physical legacy, and say, I worked on that building, they can actually say, I worked on that building and I made sure that we actually reduced the CO output of that building by X% so that my kids and my grandkids are going to live in a better world in the future.
I think UK Construction Week has a huge role to play in tackling the diversity challenge. If we look at the education stream, if we have seminars, if we have events, so seeing a female with a hard hat on, seeing a black engineer, showing that they are the role models of the future, we can make a huge difference.
UK Construction Week I think is different because it actually has such a range of players there. It is the whole thing from timber through to engineering through to architecture, the whole gamut of what is the built environment.
To showcase the best of British construction industry, to show the professionalism, to show the leadership that comes through. There's a long way to go, but we've got to be prepared to talk about it, and the platform to talk about it is Construction Week.